The Director of Public Prosecutions has served the notice that he will be seeking the death penalty for a 23-year-old RUSHANE BARNETT, the man accused of killing Kimisha Wright and her 4 children in Cocopies, Clarendon on Tuesday, June 21st. Barnett, who was remanded in custody when he made his first appearance in the Home Circuit Court on Tuesday, June 28, was ordered to do a psychiatric evaluation and other medical checks. He is to return to court on Friday, July 22nd. Justice Leighton Pusey is presiding over the matter. Barnett, who appeared in court without a lawyer, has been charged with 5 counts of murder. When asked if he had an attorney, Barnett told Justice Pusey that he would have to call his family to know what is what. A provisional assignment of a legal aid lawyer was made until further notice. Lead prosecutor Andrea Martins-Weby pointed out that she would not go into detail as it relates to the nature of the allegations. However, she stated that between midnight June 20 and 1 a.m. on June 21st, the accused purportedly used a knife to inflict wounds to all 5 of the deceased. Barnett fled the scene and allegedly deposited the knife along with other items some distance away. The knife and those items were retrieved and identified to be the belongings of Barnett. Barnett, who is the cousin of the slain mother, was apprehended at his parents' home in Trelawney a day after the incident. He reportedly confessed to the murders in a caution statement to the police. Meanwhile, Justice Pusey explained to the accused man that the expedition of his case to the Supreme Court means that it will take a shorter time for the matter to go to trial. When given the opportunity to speak, a dejected-looking Barnett complained that he had been treated unfairly in lockup. He says, "I don't know for the crime I commit, but them a threaten me and a lick me in my back with baton. I tell them about 2 days now so my back a hurt me and me need for go doctor." Barnett went further to say, "Your Honor, the officers them not take no talk from me still enough." Justice Pusey assured Barnett that any action taken against him in custody, which is outside the law, will be dealt with. Meanwhile, Director of Public Prosecutions Paula Llewellyn, in a press release, explained that under Section 3, Subsection 1 of the Offences Against the Person Act, persons who are found guilty of multiple murders in one incident shall be sentenced to life in prison or to death. At the same time, the Act notes that the death penalty cannot be imposed unless the defendant is given sufficient notice long before the start of the trial. In light of the above provisions and the consideration of the circumstances of the case, it has been deemed appropriate by the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution for the death penalty notice to be prepared and served on the accused at the time that the voluntary bill of indictment is laid in court. This is to ensure that at the earliest opportunity, the accused is made aware of the intention of the prosecuting authority to make the recommendation that the death penalty is an option for the sentencing judge, consequent on a conviction of a trial for the 5 counts of murder, as outlined on the indictment, she said. The defendant, in the meantime, was informed by the judge that the notice is to indicate that the prosecution will be seeking the death penalty as a possible sentence, but that a lawyer who has been assigned to him by the court will further explain the notice.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!